Hello people, today I wanted to show you how to install materials when you use a Cycles render engine in Softimage application. I open up the scene to show you what materials I applied to one of my new models. So I will be able to show you because I'm using this Cycles render engine and the materials which I want to show you how you can install it inside the application Softimage. Oh, what we got here? LED light, LED light, and green LED light. I see some new materials people. This is quite interesting. I should have used this the diamond material. And those cycles shaders, how they work. This is a circle wheel, and I will show you what materials I applied and how to install it. As you can see, they glow because you can either import and connect to cycles render material. But if you want to install and if you want it to be visible, you have to go Files, Preferences, and Shader Wall, and switch to Cycles Render. And now we will be able to see a review of materials and how we will import it. First of all, I will download we have plenty of the materials here. Control V. I will have to put here cycles shader for Softimage. I was thinking and now I can show you type. Those files we will have to copy to one catalog. For example, if you want to import compound, you can import shader compound, but you have to see path where it's being installed. In this case, I will have to go to application data. If you don't see this folder, because by default this folder, application data isn't visible, you have to go to options and make this folder visible, because by default this folder is hidden. I think I have to go to Autodesk instead. Autodesk Softimage data RTC compounds. I have to check if I already copied and everything you copy here. I think I copied everything before. That is why my materials are imported like I wanted to show you. Everything is located here. I can show you. Some materials you can, when you create a new material, Take that. Shader Pascal. You can import the diamond. I will show you now. I will rename. I have to rename. And because this material is supposed to be disconnected, we go to nodes cycles. Compounds Blender Naga. We have metal. We have other materials. Love, food, science, paints, nature, lights, variety node art materials. I just have to find maybe dispersion glass I will connect instead. So this one I can disconnect. Index of refraction, dispersion. Now I can assign, I can check and I can assign maybe to one of the stars to show you. Not only this, but many other different materials that I just wanted to show you. To be able to see vector, I will zoom in. Oh no, I should zoom in different way. No, I will do that with a different way for you to show you this custom material. Or you can see dispersion glass. Okay, like to be able to use this, you have to install add-on. You go to File, Add-on, Install, and you have to select that plugin. But because I installed, you don't have to do that. But if you haven't got, you can install. This is not the latest. The latest is that one, but because I installed it, you don't have to do that. If you want to install from the beginning, you just have to uninstall an earlier version. But I won't do that because I don't want to do that everything from the beginning. It supports graphics card and open image denoise and also film exposure, light paths, sampling, and everything what the latest Blender has. I hope you like my video tutorial how to use cycles shaders inside application Softimage. You go to nodes, cycles, compounds, Blender Maga. Blender Maga is like library materials which Blender uses as well. Oh, we also have this. I haven't used this yet. Cycles, car paint, cycles. HDR, HDR master, PBR, oh PBR, material. Lots of different things we have here. I hope you like my video tutorial. If